Okay, so here we are making brownies in the Ninja Crispi. And no, this is not sponsored. Stop reporting it as a sponsored video. It's not, I promise. So here I am putting the batter into cupcake liners because this is how you can make it. This is the way that worked for me. The just putting it in the container did not work. So I set it for 30 minutes because that's what it kind of showed on the box, but it only takes about 16 minutes to fully cook them. And yes, there is a time-lapse video at the end of this. And also at the end is the first time I tried to make them and it turning out horrible. So here I am showing you guys that it is fully cooked on the inside and they do taste really good. I mean, they're box brownies. They always taste good. And y'all, this is perfect for people who live in small spaces. Would I use an oven? Yes, but this gets it done in half the time and it's a small appliance. And here is the time-lapse video that some people asked for. I sped it up as much as I could, so it is quite long. That's why it's at the end. But here it is. I'm not faking these videos, I promise. And here's my first attempt at making brownies in this. And as you can see, I'm mixing all of the ingredients in the container, but this does not work. You have to have the crisper tray and the silicone, well, I use cupcake liners, but they have silicone liners for air fryers. So I would get one of those too, but it's to help the air movement when you just do it like this. The air is not touching the bottom. I don't know, but that's just how it is. And these were in there for 40 minutes. And then here you can see that they are not cooked all the way through. It was just the top.